Hello friends, welcome to Race to Help. Today I tell you how to use and shift your bicycle gears. Actually there are mainly two types of bicycle gear bicycles. One is 21 speed and second is 24 speed. In 21 speed and 24 speed in both the bicycles, front frictions are 3. See, these are 3 front frictions counted from left 1 and right 3rd. In between is the second gear 1 2 3 starting from left, and in back side in 21 speed there are 7 frictions from left to right 1 to 8, and for 21 speed bikes left to right 1 to 7. So 3 into 7 is 21 speed bike and 3 into 8 is 24 speed bike. Basically we said that there are 21 gears and 24 gears. Basically these are the speeds. So front controls are controlled by left hand side controls, and back controls are back frictions 1 to 7 or 1 to 8 are controlled by right controls. See, these are the frictions, and in back frictions also from left to right 1 to 7. So you can shift your gears likewise. Now I will show you, or I will tell you the basic combinations for front and back frictions. So now I'll tell you the functions of right hand side controls and left hand side controls. In right hand side you can control your back side frictions from 1 to 7. Upper lever is used to increase your gear like this, from 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7, and lower lever is used to lower the gears from 7 to 6, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, and upper lever is used to increase the gears. So these are the functions or how we can use these levers. I don't tell you how to make combinations of front and back frictions, but now I am telling you how to use these controls. For right hand side, for back frictions, upper lever is used to increase the gear and lower lever is used to decrease the gear. But in left side controls are front frictions, lower lever is used to increase the gears and upper lever is used to decrease the gears. Likewise, see, lower lever is used to decrease the gears and upper lever is used to increase the gears. Now I tell you the basic combinations for these gears. See, now I have selected number 2 in front frictions 1 to 3. Now I am selecting 1 in the front frictions. Now you can shift your gears or you can use your back gears 1 to 3, 1, 2 or 3 for best combinations. You can use 4, 5, 6, 7, but these are not good for your bicycle because it will cause early deterioration of your gears, because 1, 2, 3 is very good aligned with front friction number 1, and if you selected front friction as 2 number, then please use 3, 4 or 5 in back frictions for 21 speed bike. 3, 4 or 5. See, if you selected front friction number 1, then back friction 1, 2 or 3, and if you selected front friction as number 2, then please select back friction as 3, 4 or 5, and if you select front friction as number 3, then select back friction as 5, 6 or 7. So these are the basic combinations for your bicycle gears combinations. And you can also use for uphill you have to use front friction as 1 and back friction 1 to 3, and for downhill you have to use front friction 3 and back friction 5, 6 or 7. So friends, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share my channel Race to Help. So you can use these combinations while uphill or downhill or while selecting your gears, how to select and use your gears. So friends, if you find my video helping, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.